Yep, we're under the severe thunderstorm warning again. This time it's on a Friday. It occurred a few days after I did the midnight one, which was when Monday began. Let me show you how it looks like outside. And it was so close. There was a tornado warning, but it expired like right before I started recording this video. And right now it's at somewhere around 10:05 p.m. on a Friday. It's for... Let me check what the day is. It's 4/17/2015, and it's starting to rain. The news just came on. There's a big event out here where I live, but I think that's been put on hold. And earlier, it was a county, as you can see on the TV, they've been under a tornado warning. We'll take a look outside. And right now we're under a tornado watch. That's in case something, I don't know how to say it, but in case one touches down. Yeah, that's the event I mentioned. It's an event honoring the sailing of Tejano and stuff. Whoa. It's raining outside. As you can see, as I said, this is another severe thunderstorm warning, which was switched from a tornado warning. So close. Yep, the tornado warning now becomes the, what do you call, the severe thunderstorm. That's the event I mentioned. Right now we'll take focus looking outside. I think it's raining now. Whoa. I tell you, this week we had like 3 storms. The first one was the one I did a video on midnight when Monday started. And there was another one that occurred like on Tuesday morning, which I didn't get to do a video of. That storm, and that storm was worse than the one I did on Monday when Monday started. I don't know how it's gonna go because this storm is kind of a bit different than the one I did back on midnight of when Monday started.
lots of fun for everybody, but unfortunately the weather has made it shut down. Tell me, why did you guys make this decision?
Yeah, they moved it somewhere else.
Pose a threat to our festival
Oh,
goers,
something
we
just
made
cut
the call,
off.
because their safety is our number one concern. And so,
As a result of the
for watching
rain.
weather, we had
I
our
think the power is
weather
gonna go
service
out. I don't know.
and when we made the call with the severe weather that was forecasted to come in, to go ahead and shut things down for the evening, let our festival goers go home, and now the rest of us are staying in the American Bank Center Arena and just riding out the storm. And it's a pretty safe place here. Definitely a
Let me turn the
place where you
volume
wanna
up.
be when the storm actually hits. And some of the fans who couldn't make it out, safely back home, you asked
They
them to
moved it
come into the
somewhere
Air Force
else.
Jim Salamantel made it clear to everyone you're welcome to come in, take shelter in the arena.
Oh, he's looking outside.
It's the safest place in town, and so we're here, and we encourage those.
All right, as you can see there, because of all the severe weather, we're actually having some trouble with our live system. We'll take a quick break, and we'll be back with more. Stay with us.
Oh, I think I heard that in the news they lost their signal. I think quite a bit. All thanks to this weather. I hope there's a tornado warning. Because I have never done a tornado warning video before. Because the city I live in, Corpus, they rarely get tornadoes. But it's actually the first time, like in a decade, that they get a tornado warning. I mean, we get a tornado warning. It seems that there's more lightning than thunder. This is actually the dirt storm. The first one is the one I made a video on. The second one is the one I didn't do a video on. And right now this is the dirt storm, which I'm doing a video on. Wow. Whoa. It felt odd that it was like formerly a tornado warning, now it's a thunderstorm. Yeah, because of that they canceled the event that honors Selena.
In effect for central Nueces County. Now this is going to go until 10:45. In fact, southeastern Nueces County is included along with San Patricio counties, and Aransas. This goes until 10:45. And this is just for the storms right along the coastline.
I think if you look here, I think that's a tornado warning.
The Benavides off in Duval County. There's still plenty of activity out to the south.
I thought severe weather was going to occur on Thursday, but it seems that it occurred like right now.
So I want to zoom in and see what's going on over the area right now. There is a severe thunderstorm warning at this time. This goes until 10:15, which will likely be extended until probably 11 o'clock.
It was a tornado warning while I was eating at a restaurant called Joe's Crop Shack.
Zoom in just a little bit closer. You can see the T-heads up here, and the rainfall is just about getting here. Spectacular lightning show.
I don't know if I'm going to make a part 2. Probably depends on the storm. Oh, whoa. No, that's a good lightning strike. I'm going to cut the video for now. I don't know if I'm going to make a part 2, but anyway, see you later or see you on the next part.